Yes, and we'll talk about the topic of feud going between government of India and Twitter. Not only government of India, but Twitter has the feud with many more countries like Nigeria. Nigeria has just banned Twitter today because it suspended the account of their president. Now, what happened with India? What the tussle going on between India and Twitter? I'll tell you in detail. First of all, let's just know the update over the Twitter. Government of India on 26th May 2021 brings some new rules. As per those new rules, Twitter has to follow the mandate given by the government of India. What are these mandates? The mandate tells that Twitter has to form a grievance cell, and some person who will be responsible, who will be accountable to answer any grievance of Indian citizens, and that person will be of Indian citizenship. All right. Apart from this, Twitter has to place a nodal officer in the territory or in India to resolve all the issues of Twitter. More because so far Twitter has not accepted, has not done any compliance with these rules which government of India proposed. In the furtherance of that, and to increase the vehement, the more tussle between government of India and Twitter, what happened today? Twitter just removed the blue tick from the vice president Twitter account. Not only this, Twitter has removed the blue tick from the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat. Yes, Twitter has just removed it. And what is the blue tick? Twitter says because the vice president Twitter account was not active from the last 6 months as per their rule, and Twitter says that it has rule, if your account is not active, and they will remove blue tick and they can even suspend your account. A few days back, we hear that Kangna Ranaut, there was a issue. Kangna Ranaut account was also suspended. So Twitter makes their own rule, and actually Twitter has no rule. They just doing the monarchy. Okay, they make their own rule and they break it themselves. When somebody else, uh, if if you tweet some more tweet, then they also break. They also come under their spam policy. And if you don't tweet over a long period of time, then Twitter says that because it's in their rules. Because Twitter is a actually, what is Twitter? Twitter is a microblogging site. Microblogging site is just an app created uh, uh, by the Twitter, by some person, and that app is so universally distributed, and people are just sharing their views, opinion. And right now Twitter has such an influence that some countries roles are even criticized badly. Even, and what government of India has another issues with Twitter, which has not compliance, which Twitter has not compliance, is that the videos, the photos, the the major comments by the society, by lots of people, they usually trend something, and the impact of these photo, videos, and some comments which are hateful, which are kind of hatred, and due to which lots of people have suffered loss. Lots of people have lost their dignity, lost their credibility, and lots of people are losing their image. Image degradation is also a crime. So without any base, without any evidence, and a few days back, a toolkit which was said to be of one political party of India claimed that this toolkit belonged to Congress, and the Congress party said that no, we this is not our toolkit, and the other political party has manipulated and scripted it. The other day, the next day, what happens? Twitter just uh, underline below that toolkit that okay, Twitter has not verified it because it's a manipulated something. Without any investigation, without any inquiry, how Twitter can say that this has been manipulated? Twitter has no agencies like police or something, CBI or something, NIA, or we talk because Twitter belongs to some foreign country. Twitter has no role on authority and no hand in gloves with CIA. So without any investigation, how Twitter can say that the toolkit was manipulated? Government of India has the contention over it. They has they they registered their objection. Moreover, so far, I personally believe that even it has happened with me twice. I'll show you in my uh, background videos and in my upcoming videos that what Twitter is doing. Even my personal account, my account has been asked to verify. When I click to verify, they they said that an OTP, a verification code has been sent your registered mobile number. But I am not receiving any verification code, and it's been the last 3 days. I have been registering my complaint thrice, but I did not receive any verification code. And unless I get the verification code, how is it possible that I'll verify it? So Twitter make their own rule. They can break if you tweet more number of times. Then they said that because you have violated their spam policy and so. And if you don't do, then they also said because you were inactive from last long time, that's why we have suspended. We have whatever they wish they can do. They promoted some uh, uh, some uh, some advertisement, uh, and also the role of blue tick. The role of blue tick, you will see that there is a what is blue tick. They said blue tick personal, those personal who are verified. However, most of the Twitter accounts are verified with the mobile number. Okay, now they don't have any criteria of how many followers there should be. They say that you should be an eminent face, you should be and uh, there is no any minimum criteria they have fixed that. Okay, I have seen that uh, an account of Twitter having around 10,000 uh, follower also get the blue tick, and whereas a person who have around 100,000 or 50,000 uh, followers, they don't get the blue tick. What is the role of blue tick? They just make their own rule to break it themselves. They have complete role and criteria. And one more incident I'll show in my video that Twitter has said that to one of my friend that if you will make because you have violated their Twitter rules and policy, that's why they have suspended their account. And if you try to make more account, then we will suspend also. What is this nonsense? And moreover, they don't just tell you what on which tweet your account has been suspended. They just write a scripted line because suspicious activity was seen over your account. That's why your account has been blocked, suspended. Sometimes they block for 3 days. But what happens after 3 days? The 3 days kept on passing next. But and after 3 days, a verification code has been asked, and when we enter that verification code, we see that your account has been suspended. This is I strongly believe that government of India is doing well, and Twitter should get a lesson. They should be controlled, and they should work as per the fair and justified and in a principle of natural justice. Okay, thank you. My video is too long, I think. Okay, we'll meet again with another topic. Okay, bye.